Hello and welcome everybody. We are going to be finishing the language album today, beginning with word composition, which is page 76 in your album, and we will be starting with word composition number 1. So at the top of the page it says a group of consonants from the movable alphabet, BMSTP for example. One short vowel, A, from the movable alphabet, and the container for the letters, and a rug. So we have all of that here, movable alphabet, consonants, and a rug. So first thing we do is invite the child, always. I have a work to show you. Would you like to come see? Very easy. Remove the work from the language area shelf and go to the rug. So here we already did, put the movable alphabet here on the rug. Review each consonant with the child. So here we're going to review each consonant with the child. So we review B, M, S, T, P as we lay them out. And here we're going to take a short vowel and we review the short vowel sound with the child. Ah, ah. Lay the short vowel on the rug below the row of consonants. Say, let's see how many words we can make with these letters. Choose a beginning sound from the consonant group. B. Say the sound and lay it to the left of the A. B. Read the sounds B-A. 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 Ba. Ba, ba, ah, ba. Choose an ending sound from the group of letters. T, t, t. Say the sound, lay it to the right of the two letters on the rug. Read all three sounds, B-A-T, and blend them to sound the word bat. B-A-T. 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 B-at, bat, B-at, bat. Remove the beginning sound B and the ending sound T and replace them in the row of consonants. Leave the A on the rug under the row of consonants. Repeat the process of forming a word as before with other beginning and ending consonants. Invite the child to participate in this process. Replace work on language area shelf, row rug, and replace. So this work is it's a lot of fun for the child because you ask them, get them engaged into working with them. Say, I want you to choose any letter from the consonants. Which sound would you like to use? And they say this one. Ah, ah, ma, ma, ma. Let's find an ending sound. P, ah, p, ah, p. Map, map. And then that way you could see. They can see and hear each sound. Map. Now, what if the child did choose the B for an ending sound, and they put it here? And now it says mab, but mab is not a real word, so what do we say? What do we do? you can tell the child, let's try it. M-A-B, M-A-B, mab, M-ab, mab. And then you put it back on the child so that they could hear the sound and realize that the word that they made isn't really a word at all. And you just say, this is the word. It says mab. What's a mab? There's no such thing as a mab. Let's put that back. Let's choose another sound. And then they can experiment with each consonant to make words. So extensions and variations is newly formed words can be written after they are formed. So say for instance, if we did a T there, it says mat, you could say, hey, let's get a scratch piece of paper and a pencil, and we could write this. Or you can make a booklet for the child, a writing booklet that they could write in. There's lots of different ways we can go about writing these down. You could also vary the consonant or vowel selection as a child acquires more initial sounds. So this is for 4 to 6 years olds. The aims are order, concentration, coordination, dependence, discovering how words are created, reading, and writing. Put this one back. The next one we have is word composition number 2. The material is a group of 5 consonants from the movable alphabet. Our example in our album tells us B, R, S, F, and P. 5 of one short vowel, 5 U's, for example, from the movable alphabet. 5 of another consonant, for example, 5 N's, and containers for the letters and rug. So it says like containers for the letters. So you could have like an individual container with letters, or you can have a container that goes with the movable alphabet and have the child put the letters inside of the container and then bring it to a rug. Or if it's like a shared movable alphabet, you could do it that way. So it says here, it says invite the child. We'll go with the presentation now. Invite the child. Remove the word from the language area shelf and go to the rug. Review each consonant sound from the 5 different consonant container with the child. Consonants container with the child. So for example, so here they had us use B, R, S, F, P. So I'll put B, B, and we laid out the letters from left to right at the top of the rug. When we review the short vowel sound, with the child, and stack all 5 vowels below the row of 5 consonants. So remember, vowels are blue. So we have a, 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 a. So there's 5 us right there. Now we're going to say, let's see how many words we can make with these letters. bring down the U's. So we have the U's already, brought them down here. Say the short sound of as each one is placed on the rug. And we did that. Bring the final consonant down. I might have forgotten about the final consonant, so let's review it. Okay, so this goes back to step number 6. There we go. Review the sound of the other final consonant, 5 N's, and stack all the 5 consonants in a stack to the right of the stack of vowels. So now we're going to put that over here. Looks like I'm all out of movable alphabet N's, so we're just going to have to pretend we put one right there. Okay, so now we say the word N as each placed on the right of, as each is placed on the right, on the rug to the right of the vowel. As the N is pushed close to the blend the sounds together. Read un. N, 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 un, We will continue until there are 5 sets of vowels and consonant un. Ask the child which consonant you would like to choose from the row at the top of the rug. So, would you like to choose a letter from the top? Yeah. Which one would you like to use? Place the consonant to the left of the first set of vowel and consonants. So, for instance, we have fun. Bun. And we're going to continue to choose the beginning consonants from the selection at the top of the rug until 5 3-letter phonetic words have been made. Un, pun, sun. And so we continue to choose beginning consonants from the selection at the top of the rug until 5 3-letter phonetic words have been made. We invite the child to participate in this process. And then, of course, newly formed words can also be written after they are formed. This is as an extension. You could vary the consonant or vowel selection as the child acquires more initial, medial, and ending sounds. So you can put these letters back to the top. And then we can put these ones back. So, for instance, if we want to use the middle sound of ah, You could also put as an ending sound T or M. I'll put them in separate. Again, I only have 4. Mm, 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 mm. Ah, 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 ah. Ah, mm, ah, mm, ah, mm, ah, am, 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 s, sam, sam, p, p, am, p, am, p, am, pam, am, am, ram, b, am, b, am, bam. And I ran out of the M's, so I only used 4. Do that as well. Sam, Pam, Ram, Bam. And then you can have the child write it on a scratch piece of paper, and then invite the child to keep playing or to put the work away. All right. Next one we are going to be on page just a minute here. This is page 81 in your album. Page 81 in your album is word building with the movable alphabet, 1 vowel, objects or pictures. All right, everybody, so picking up where we left off here, we got word building with the movable alphabet, 1 vowel of objects or pictures. So objects or pictures, you could use objects or use pictures for this word. Depends on where you think the child is at. If they are more, if they are leaning more on the abstract side, and you see that they're learning at a quicker pace, you can start with the pictures. But we'll start here with the objects. So presentation, invite child or children. It can still be a good small group lesson. You unroll the rug, go to the movable alphabet and bring it to the rug. Place the upper left of rug. So I have it here. Remove lid and place under box. We did there. Bring container of objects to rug. So now we have here. Remove vowel being used and place at top of rug. So here, the vowel we are going to use is the vowel A. Place it at the top of the rug. So we can bring that here. Identify the objects, noting that each has the same vowel sound in the middle. So we'll come to my objects. Hat, at, hat. Can, can. Mat, mat. Mat, can, hat. Now I'm going to invite the child to select an object and place it below the vowel. Would you like to choose an object and place it below the vowel a? The child will choose, say chooses that one. Place it right there. Say can, n. Now we go to the alphabet and let's scan and see if we can find the sounds for can. K, n. K, 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 a, k, a. Oh, we're actually going to put it here. K, a. K, a. K, a. N, can. K, a, n. K, a, n. Can, can. Let's choose another object. Hat. First sound. Second sound. At, hat, hat. There you go, hat. And then you will do the last one. Mat. Mat. Here's that again. Mat. Oh wow, look at that. And we admire, and then we return the alphabet letters and objects and rug and invite the child. Would you like to try? Extensions and variations have all the needed letters in the container rather than using the whole movable alphabet. You could always do it, isolate the difficulty. Build 3-letter words from pictures. So like I said before, objects or pictures, you could use either one. You could also have them write the words as after they have made them. Points of interest here are interesting objects or pictures. Finding letter to go with each sound and word. Red vowels, blue consonants. The excitement of making words. And the control of error, of course, would be out of order and no word formed. Always give, if you need to, another demonstration. Redemonstration. Okay. So we will return these back. Objects in the box. Go. And we will return the box back. Alright, now we're going to be moving on to word building with the movable alphabet with two vowels instead of one, so two vowels. So we do the same way as we did with the first one. We invite the child or children, unroll the rug, go to movable alphabet, bring it to the rug, place the upper left of rug, remove lid, and place under box. Bring container of objects to rug. Remove vowels being used and place at top of rug a short distance apart. So here we are using the vowels a and e. E. So I have a short distance apart on my rug. So now, next we are going to identify the objects. Net, mat. And return the objects to container. Invite the child to select an object and place it below its vowel. Would you like to choose an object from the box? Oh, great. Great, you chose the net. Where should the net go? What's the vowel? Net. Ah. Nat. Nat. Net. Et. Net. Net. Next, we're going to scan and remove the letter from box and place on rug to the right of the object. Net. Beginning sound. At. At. I like to use my fingers here. At. Eh. Yeah, there's the eh. Eh. T. At. At. T. Say the sounds slowly, then again to blend the sounds so the child can connect the sounds to form the word. At, net, net, net. Continue with the other objects in container, placing each under the appropriate vowel. Hat. At. At. Hat. And then you'll keep going So with this work, if you want to have like a pre-made objects that are already put in a container, so it's already ready for you, do that. So yeah, having all the needed extensions and variations is have all the needed letters in a container rather than using the whole MA box. That's what I was just getting at there. And build 3-letter words from pictures. Instead of using objects, you use pictures. And select objects randomly and build words without control vowels. So you can have like random different objects with different middle sounds, vowel middle sounds. And you can also not have the control vowels at the top. You just have the objects themselves without the control vowels. Okay. And of course, we admire and return alphabet letters, objects, and rug, and invite the child.